दोस्तों नमस्कार आदाब सत श्री अकाल. What you're seeing right now is my Power BI reports for analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty data. So basically what I do is, let me show you. So this video I'll give a brief description of what my report comprises of, and this is just one single report. I have plenty of reports like this where I analyze different data like the Nifty and Bank Nifty OIS and gap ups, and also how the Nifty and Bank Nifty changes according to the day, according to the expiry. And with this Power BI, this everything is made very easy for you. If the current report I have, right, so I can filter it with respect to days, with respect to months, with just click of a button. Let's say I've selected all, I'll deselect all, then I'll go Monday. Let's see what happened on Monday. So it shows me 31 on Monday, 31 time Nifty was up, closed up, and positive it means. And Nifty was down means it was negative. Okay. And on Mondays the average Nifty up was 134 points average. And down was 97. And the maximum was 733. I think this is the result, election result Monday. And negative was minus 261. Okay. And let's say I want to go see on a particular month, let's say December. What happened on December? Okay, I filter it out. It shows two times Nifty was up and one time Nifty was down on Monday. Maybe one of the Monday was holiday, so didn't capture. Okay, and this whole data I have is for, in this report is for a year. I have different reports, 5 years data, 10 years data analyzed. Okay, this actually I use for 1 year because I have the Y data as well, so I use it to analyze Y. And I, this is my one of the to go report. Okay, and to show you what, how do I get it. So basically I have few tables extracted from NSE website. So basically if you go from the NSE website, I extract this date, high, low, close, right, open. These three five columns you get from the NSE website very easily. Okay, extract those and I calculate using this Power BI, like the range, gap, value, and also I get day as well to get the what day it is. Simple as that. So based on this data, I have similar for Bank Nifty. I extract different table for gap ups, gap downs, as well as for the OI. And with that, I have this multiple reports. Like if you see the gap up Nifty report. Okay, so basically here also I can filter out. Okay, so let's say again this select on Monday, and on Monday 33 times gap up and 18 times gap down. No, no, this is not, this is just sheet for only gap up. 18 times sustained. Okay, and if I select on July on Monday 7 and then gap up. Okay, so if on same July on Monday if you go, it will show you one time. So 7 times, so out of 8 total in a year, 7 times gap up on Mondays on July. So that's actually a pretty good data, right? So I have lots of reports for this particular sheet, and in next videos I'll go through each and every one of these data and how to interpret it. How it's very easy, like click, you get what data, whatever data you want. So in this video I just wanted to give a brief introduction to my Power BI report and how I use it, and subsequent videos I will explain each and every report page I have, so that it will be helpful for you guys. Okay guys, thanks a lot, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I will try to answer it. If you want this sheet also, I'll share with you guys. Thank you, bye bye for now.